Shivanshi and welcome to my YouTube channel which is called The Artistic Strokes. So बचपन में कैसा होता है ना कि बच्चे जो होते हैं उनको पेन पेंसिल क्रेयॉन जो मिले उसको उठा के वॉल पे आर्ट बनाना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. सो आई वॉज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज किड्स. बट जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं वी टेंड टू लीव आवर हैबिट्स. बट यू नो वॉट, आई नेवर लेफ्ट इट. सो द ओनली डिफरेंस इज now I call them wall murals. And you know what is the best part? The best part is that I'm allowed to do them. पहले ही बोल देते यार कि wall mural के नाम से बनाना है, मैं पहले wall mural के नाम से बना देती है कि नहीं. So today we are going to do a beautiful wall mural. But before that, ta-da! So this is my painting avatar. Hair all tied up, old t-shirts, ready with my aujar. Let's go. So here we go. So there's just one small tip that I would like to give to all of you. So before starting with the paint, you should always sketch out what's there in your mind. Here also I've made a very light sketch that is not very visible in the video. So what I mean by a sketch is just the basic shapes, alright, and not a very detailed one, so that you exactly know in which place and angle you have to place the things. So what happens is, otherwise, halfway through the painting, when you look at it from a distance, you realize that, oh my god, this is just not looking the way I have imagined it to be. Making the baby birds and I am enjoying myself a lot. So here, as you can see, the sketch is a bit visible. So this helps me know where exactly I have to place the baby birds and mother bird and the nest. Done with my painting, only the leaves are left. The leaves are the most exhausting part of the painting because they're so tiny, so I have to draw so many of them because the tree is also huge. But all the exhaustion and the pain you go through it just goes away, and it's worth it when you look at the final piece in the end, you know. And I cannot wait to, you know, find out how it looks.
Well guys, I'm done with this mural. You can see it right behind me. So if you like this video, do give it a like and share the video. Also, I come up with new videos every Friday, so do subscribe to my channel in order to see more such amazing videos. Also, if you have any questions, do post it in the comment section below. I'm going to answer all of them. Also, all the material that I've used in this painting, you know, I've put it in the description below, so you can just go and read that up. So until we meet next time, do take very good care of yourselves. Bye.